Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Unoilam jangka United Democratic Party Bakar menshilla Bulongru Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla lakin tho daga baong baga jinga tho lupa jangka Voice of the People Party baga sengriu luom ka behetam haga Jilla kan sa Shah Khylliap lama haus nam arajar arpopra haga jinga keramik lar patai kubor ba shilla loang babaro khat arngot ki MLA jangka UDP kidan bet bat ka party par haus nam arajar popra kinang don shushu ki banyadan lang hasenda jangka party ban Shakri yaga Jilla.
I have nothing to say much when it comes to this. Any party can say anything against anyone, because in the end, nobody will pray or will praise others or will work for others to strengthen the other party. Of course, they'll find ways and means, they will try all the ways and means they can to make us down. But looking at the support we got from the public, I have a feeling that nobody can touch us. We have been here, we will be here, and the time will come that our people will have full faith on us, and they'll give us a day where one day we will be the leaders for the state. I have feelings. So they mentioned that 28 UDP will be no more. I have a feeling that is wrong. The day that I will not be here, maybe because I am here, I'm still UDP, I will be with UDP. And not only me, all the 12 MLAs are here. And few more, many more, not only few, many more will be there on 28 to stand for the party and to save the state. I have a full feelings that next to come, 28, will be a best and one of the best result will be on 28 for the party UDP, and that will be for the future of our people of the state.